Hey friends, thanks for coming by to watch our painting channel again. Of course, I'm Larry and this is the BrushFalls Studio YouTube channel. And today, I'm going to flip a cup today. I don't do that a lot, but we're going to try it today. So we're going to start with a nice kind of gray-white base coat. Then I'm going to layer my cup and dump it and we'll see what comes out. So come with me to the canvas.
Oh my God. Wow.
All the purple's going in at once.
There's never any mistakes.
You work with whatever you got. Well, all right. Look at that. You're starting to get a lot of very pretty white cells coming through here. The colors didn't mix a lot, but where they did, it's created some really interesting effects.
You guys probably can't see all of it, but it has a lot of metallics. It's very shiny, very shimmery.
So thanks for coming by to watch our channel. As always, leave me a comment. Let me know how we're doing. Like and subscribe. And if you really like it, share it with somebody else. With that, I'm going to say so long.